Why did we decide to play here?
I don't know.
Because Will wanted to.
I thought it would be cool. I didn't get past the entrance.
I know. That's very unfortunate.
I wonder what reason that could be.
All I
Can't
heard
run away.
was the
It's not good at running
creakiness
away from
of a
ghosts.
monkey paw's finger going down. I turn around, I look at John, it's only holding up 2 fingers, and then the lights started flickering.
Listen, I didn't see any of that, so I'm not sure
And there
if
was
we
a
can
little
put all the
girl
blame on
right in
John.
front of you.
I just
We
I'm not
can't
sure that
say
monkey
for sure
paws-
what really happened.
I'm gonna cut all this together and make a video, and then put my death right after that sentence. We lost Meg.
She's busy doing important things like finding where the ghost is.
Ah, and we're here fing around with some severed
I
monkey's
wish for
hand.
knowledge.
That... What did... You did not.
Yep, bye guys.
You fucking bitch! Oh, come on, it's a baby! Fuck! No!